you out today then, guys?
Pumpkin picking.
Pumpkin picking, yay! And what else?
Soft play.
Soft play, yes. Big new soft play there, isn't it? Spooky season's upon us, guys. I've got my pumpkin spice latte here, getting in the mood for the day.
The baggy's out. And so are the Halloween earrings. That's where we're going first. Hey pumpkin lovers, it's that time of year again. The pumpkin experience at Brocksbushes is returning this October and it's going to be the biggest and best one yet.
Every autumn, families from Northumberland, Newcastle and across the northeast flock to Brocksbushes for the ultimate pumpkin picking adventure. And this year they've gone all out.
Over 160,000 pumpkins planted in every shape, size and colour you can imagine. Whether you're after the perfect carving pumpkin or a quirky gourd for your doorstep, they've got you covered. And yes, they're all edible and decorative.
And that's just £3 per person or £10 for a family ticket for up to 5 people. This attraction offers affordable fun for everyone. But that's not all. Introducing Northumberland's biggest play barn. Get ready for 4 epic levels of soft play, climbing zones, creative corners and role play rooms. Plus an outdoor play area for those summer or crisp sunny autumn days.
So grab your wellies, bring the whole crew and make some unforgettable memories this October at Brocksbushes Pumpkin Experience.
Big food hall here, guys. All sorts on offer here. Tell you what, it's absolutely bouncing in here. It's even chock-a-block. All sorts of produce. Like that tractor over there hanging from the roof. So we had a 12 o'clock slot at the play barn. We're running slightly late, so we're going to head over there now. This little courtyard area. Are you excited, AJ? So this is the biggest play barn in Northumberland. It's been open a couple of years now. We've never actually been in, so looking forward to it. Well, somebody's looking forward to it. So here we are, here's the entrance. So we've got digital tickets being emailed to us. Give you a quick look inside. There we have it. Windmill on the top. Let the chaos commence.
Which way are we going? Oh, which way? Go that way. God, I'm too old for play bands now. This is going to absolutely annihilate me and my spine. The problem with being a grown-up is that you have to do this the whole way round. I think we're on the 3rd floor now. Not really sure, but it heals up even further. Nice, Dad. Can you see Tony? Hello. It still keeps going. Ooh, climbing walls. You can't climb very high on them, can you? 2, go. So we've got 1, 2, 3 slides, I think. 4 slides. Trampolines over there. Football over there. Some pumpkin related things that way. And now AJ's gonna make me do the big slide. Are you ready? Who's doing the big one? Right, 2, 1, go! Oh Jesus Christ!
Tag. Right, let's go, dude. Too fast for me. You lead the way. Oh, sorry. I want to go down this slide, AJ. Where's the slider? The only thing being 6'3" on one of these places. Hope it's load bearing enough for my fatness. 3, 2, 1, go! Ah, he's beat us. Cheers, look. Oh, got the pumpkin cupcake. Is that for you? Look how red you are running around in there. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Right guys, so we're going to have a look at the outdoor activity area. You going to show us about it, AJ? Yeah. There's water in it. Nice coat of arms there. How do you get down? Yeah, that way.
It's too small.
So there's the pumpkin picking zone over there. Just zoom in and give us a look. Bet you'd like one of these in the garden, wouldn't you? We need a bigger house. Go on then. Ah, super agile. Not like your dad. Right, we've got about 45 minutes to start our pumpkin picking. So the three of us are going to go down this slide together. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Ah, you cheat! We'll have a good look around the shop now.
No, I've lost all respect.
Why?
Don't do frozen Yorkshire puddings. It's against my Yorkshire sensibilities. Spit on it.
Butchers and meat counter deli there and butchery. Oh, they look nice, don't they? Mexican madness, beef bomb. Sorts of art and stuff here. Don't go much on that, like. Where's the Stadium of Light, AJ? There's no Stadium of Light, is there? Takes you into the courtyard kitchen. This little restaurant area there. Look at that tractor again. You see the tractor? Cool, isn't it?
How's not fun?
So off now to go and get more wellies on for the pumpkin picking. Let's give you a look around how busy it is at all these cars. We've got like a little roller coaster. Roller coaster. The wellies are on. Hey. Let's go pick some pumpkins. What colour wheelbarrow are you going to get? Green? So you change your mind from a green to a purple, eh? Gone for a purple. Here we are, guys, at the entrance. Please have your pumpkin tickets ready for scan. Oh, there's next up there, look at. There's one price list, look. So this is where they get you. £1 for a mini, £3 for a small, £5 for a medium, £7 for a large. I'll see the price for an extra large, I think it's £9 and a monster's £10. Pumpkin house here. That's cool, isn't it? Look at that. House has even got a hot tub, look at. Yeah, it's awesome. So many choices. I'm overwhelmed. What have we got so far? 2, a mega one, and a large one. Yeah, look, it looks like it's got warts on it. Then, what have we gone for? Oh, I love it. Got a yellow one as well. Right, let's head over here to the slide. So heading up to the slide now. It's a bit of an improvement from last year. Oh, just spotted something here. Just spotted. Got a grey one now as well. Fix another eye on that one. You're just going to try out this slide now. You going up? You ready? Yeah, you can't see these two anyway. Little pumpkin maze here. Pallet maze. Left your hat in that pallet. Little pallet tower here. Saddle. If you look at that car park now, look how busy it is. Chocolate block. Doesn't feel busy now. We're off now to wash our pumpkins. The pumpkin wash. Last year when we let AJ do this, we got absolutely soaked. Grand job there, mate. Satisfied with that? Sorted? This tells you what type of pumpkins you've picked. Ali, that one, a warty goblin, red warty thing, polar bear, some guns. You pay for your pumpkins. Got like a stencil so you can measure them. Sorted. I think that's definitely a large in it. Go on, squeeze it through. Go on, turn on inside, do whatever you've got to do. Thank you. We've got this area here where you can carve your own pumpkins and various stencils and whatnot. Definitely an upgrade from last year, I think. Right guys, so we're going to drop the pumpkins back off at the car and then head back around, grab some food and let AT have a bit of play around in this fairground area. Here we are, food village, face painting, so wood-fired pizza, got a churros station. General sort of hot dogs and that over there. And a toasty roll marshmallows. Face painting over there look. Look at this menu, hot food, fully loaded. Chips I think, crispy bacon, cheese crispy onions and jalapenos, hot dogs, fries, mac and cheese, bacon baps, sausage baps, bit of all sorts. We do like to hit up this place, wood-fired pizza. What are you going to go for? Cheesy garlic bread, pepperoni. It's nice though. Yeah, not really, no. So we've decided to go with the cheesy garlic bread and a margarita.
So I've got one cheesy garlic bread, and you
Got a churro truck. Banh mi and loaded hash browns, Vietnamese style stuff. What have you got? Margarita, yeah. What have we got? Cheesy garlic bread. That does look nice. Try that, mate?
10 out of 10.
That good?
Yeah.
You enjoy that? Yeah. Where are we off to now?
Amusements.
Amusements? Spinny pumpkins? Yeah. Got your ticket.
One's charging.
Sorted. Come on, sir. He's decided to go on to the fun house now. Jungle Fever.
The witch.
Get your shoes off. Yeah. We go, guys. You've got to beat the witch. I've told the fella over there to turn it on full blast. So our final ride of the day, yeah? Runaway train, top front seat, sorted. Yay!
As always, thanks for watching and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe.